Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing the parts of the flower and I will tell you some details about the flower. The flower is the reproductive part of the plant. First, I will draw the carpel, which is the female reproductive part of the flower. The carpel has three main parts. At the top, we have the stigma. This is the sticky part that receives pollen. Below it, it is a thin tube called the style, which connects the stigma to the ovary. The ovary is a swollen part at the bottom, and inside it we have ovules, which later become seeds after fertilization. Now let's draw the stamen, which is the male reproductive part of the flower. I am drawing several stamens around the carpel. Each stamen has two parts, the filament, which is the thin stalk, and the anther, which sits on the top of the filament. The anther produces pollen grains. These are needed for fertilization. Next, I will draw the petals. Together, all the petals are called the corolla. The petals are usually colorful and attract insects and other pollinators to the flower, which helps in pollination. Now let's draw the pedicel. It is a main stalk that connects the flower to the main stem of the plant. Finally, let's draw the sepals. The sepals are usually green and small, and together they are called the calyx. Their job is to protect the flower when it is still a bud before it fully opens. Now let me tell you a bit about the flowering plants. Flowering plants are called angiosperms. They are the largest group of plants on earth that are found everywhere, which makes them special because they produce flowers, and flowers help them reproduce through pollination and later form fruits and seeds. So this is the complete diagram of the parts of flower. So students, now I am giving the title and labeling. So these parts are the male reproductive part of the flower, anther and filament, and this is stamen. This is sepal and this is pedicel, and this is petal. I have drawn few petals. This is female reproductive part of the flower, stigma, style and ovary, and these are the parts of carpel. And inside the ovary there are many ovules. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.